Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. Stock number is A7226. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Bridgestone dual-air tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior with the Sahara stitching. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then swing around to the back end. You do have a full-size spare tire on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control. Your four-wheel drive controls are here, and your automatic transmission is here as well. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Wrangler on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.